I'm sugar and spice.
Stick a fork in me. I'm done.
I'm in the cone zone. Y'all be loving the sour apples flavor.
Let's go! We can do this! Leon in the lead.
What a fascinating biosphere! Sweet nectar! Can you be more annoying?
Let's go, go, go!
Spectacular new merchandise now for sale. Side effects include being awesome.
Feel the power of music!
Don't mess with Jess! Time to get constructive!
Surge, 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 surge! Surge!
I rule this pool! First aid fury!
Subscribe to Leopold's channel, or I'm gonna chase you, and I'm gonna find you.
Subscribe to Leopold's channel. The bull says so. That's why. I'll come bulldozer all over your house. Bulldozer!
Howdy, y'all. It's your Uncle Lou here. Make sure you subscribe to Leopold's channel. I'm in the cone zone. Y'all be loving the sour apples flavor. Freeze frame, I'm winning the game. Keep it frosty. Try a blizz ball, y'all. Uncle Lou is here for you. I'm just shooting the freeze. Gee whiz, try a blizz. Uncontrollable. Slip and slide. New and improved flavor sauce. Blueberry twirl. Raspberry crush. Mango tango. You got coned. You want ice with that? Easy freezy. I'm Frostalicious. Have a blizz ball. I got crushed. Shame on you. Bad to the cone. Oh, my days. Gosh golly. Gee willikers. You're on thin ice, my friend. Brain freeze. Don't you worry. I'll be right back. Uncle Lou needs a rest.
Don't mess with the ball! Yo, I'm in charge! And stay there! Yeah, that'll teach you!
Let's go explore! Let's see what's buzzing. What a fascinating biosphere! You pose a threat to the hive. Beautiful. Sweet nectar! Buzz off. Mind your own beeswax. Can you be more annoying? Think of the ecosystem. Don't call me honey. For the colony. I feel like the queen bee. I'm buzzing. Believe in yourself. I'm the bee's knees.
Hi everybody, this is Patrick, the voice of Sandy. This is my daughter Violet. She's so tired. So tired, we just had breakfast. Make sure you subscribe to Leopold's channel too. To sleep, perchance to dream, is what I mean. I got my own type of game. I'm a sleep fiend, it's all good. I got an interview with Lex, and if you want to battle me, I'll just say who's next. Maybe Leopold will interview next time on his channel. That'll be super cool. Yes, should I wear a sandy flannel? Wow. Oh. Sandstorm! Sand shroud! Oh, I'm so tired of winning. So cool. Anyways, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to Leopold's channel. And if you can, maybe you could subscribe to mine too. Mine is Patrick Pedraza. That's it. See you later. Say bye, Violet. Bye. Awesome.
It is Thomas Hagena, the voice of Leon in Brawl Stars. Anyways, thanks for inviting me to do this. I really appreciate it. It's some really cool videos you got going there. All right, so I'll just go through some lines.
Let's go! We can do this! Yes! Leon in the lead! Woohoo! Invisibility! Hey, Nita, check me out! Untouchable! Yeah! Ha 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 ha! Yes, yes, yes! Not fair! Watch this! Sneaky time! Time to brawl! Ha! See ya!
Anyway, thanks so much, Leo. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet of the lines from Brawl Stars. Best of luck with the YouTube channel, and looking forward to seeing the new content roll out. So have a great weekend. See you around.
Hey y'all, Liz here, aka Piper from Brawl Stars, your favorite brawler, right? Big shout out to Leopold for asking me to add to his vast riches of YouTube awesomeness. So happy to contribute, and so glad you guys love the game so much and you love Piper. I do too. She's amazing. I'm just going to share a little Piper with you per your requests. Let's do it. I'm sugar and spice. Come get it. This ain't my first rodeo. Give me some sugar. Oh, my. Love this one. Kiss my grits. Well, I do declare. Mind your manners. Bless your heart. Oh, sweetie. You're welcome. Oh, too bad. Goodness gracious. My favorite line of all. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. Oh, my stars. There you have it. Feel free to comment, follow. You can find me on Instagram. But yeah, keep playing, keep brawling, and keep supporting. We love you. Peace.
What's up? I'm Blythe Moline, and I'm the voice actor for Colonel Ruffs. Here are some of my favorite lines.
Sit down. Roll over. Now play dead. Let's go, go, go! This canine bites back!
Thank you so much for the invite. It's a pleasure doing this. And be sure to go out, kicking, brawling, and one more thing.
Be sure to check out Leopold's channel. This is Colonel Ruffs, signing off.
Hey there, I'm Darren Roebuck, and this is Poco. Feel the power of music! Gimme a beat! Wow, that sucks! Wow, dude! Not cool! Hey, you broke my guitar!
Hey there, Kai Skrotsky, voice actor for Stu from Brawl Stars, coming at you with some, well, the same lines, so the same punch-drunk craziness that you've probably heard so far. So let's get into it. Spectacular Stu is here for doing it for all the lonely cats out there. Keep the tire marks as a souvenir. This machine is getting mean. Spectacular Stu merchandise now for sale. Side effects include being awesome. Thanks for joining me in my TED Talk. Run fast.
Hi, this is Maya, and I wanted to say hello to my little friend, Squibby. And Leopold. I do the voice acting for Jessie. Things like broken beyond repair. Don't mess with Jess. Build and brawl. Time to get constructive. And anyways, I hope everyone's having a good day, and remember, subscribe to Leopold's channel. I'm #1! Yes! Bye!
Here's some Surge lines.
Let's party! Go, 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 go! Surge Protector! Surging Rage! Take it easy, bruh! Surge for the win! to protect and surge. I'm so awesome! Ha ha! Surge, 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 surge! Surge!
Oh, and I came up with this one.
Surge and destroy!
I rule this pool! Resuscitation is my vocation. Eat my bubbles. First aid fury! Don't touch the whistle. And remember to stay hydrated.
Hi, this is your friend El Primo. I'm very glad to be here with my friend Leopold. Subscribe to his channel. Remember, no pain, no gain, no glory. El Primo. It's showtime.